This Cat6 unshielded twisted pair, UTP, cable is a high-performance data communication cable suitable for 550 MHz high-speed applications. It has excellent attenuation and crosstalk characteristics and exceeds TIA, EIA 568C.2 specification. This Ethernet cable is designed for indoor and riser network installations and is approved by ETL to be Type CMR. The wires are 23 AWG in size and are made of solid bare copper conductors. All four pairs are easily identified by color stripes. The insulation material is PE and the jacket is made of PVC. This cable is supplied in 1000 feet pole box and sequential length markings are printed on the jacket. Brand for this product is Vertical Cable. Top reviews from the United States. These cables were purchased for my laptops as well as Xbox One. The cables were simple to connect, and the pins hold up very well. I have been looking for a solid place to purchase Cat5 and Cat6 cables, and am glad I finally found a product I can trust. They also test up to speeds as well. Great buy.